In this video, I'll show you how to make a payroll sheet in Google Sheets with Claude AI. First, sign into your Claude account and start a new chat. Next, tell Claude exactly what kind of payroll sheet you want to create. For example, you can ask, create a payroll spreadsheet for employee names, hours worked, hourly rate, overtime, deductions, and total pay in Google Sheets. After that, Claude will generate a spreadsheet structure along with the formulas needed to calculate payroll automatically. Now, review the columns and formulas that Claude provides. If you need additional fields, such as bonuses, taxes, commissions, or employee IDs, simply ask Claude to add them. Next, copy the spreadsheet structure and formulas generated by Claude. After that, open Google Sheets and create a new blank spreadsheet. Now, paste the headers and formulas into your sheet. Adjust the column widths and formatting to make the payroll sheet easier to read. Next, enter sample employee data and test the calculations to make sure everything is working correctly. After that, if you want improvements, return to Claude and ask for additional features such as automatic tax calculations, monthly payroll summaries, or payroll reports. Finally, save your spreadsheet and start using it to track employee payroll information. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a payroll sheet in Google Sheets with Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.